Thrift Productions.
What up y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually going to be doing a how to thrift video. So if you see me looking down, it's because yes, I do have notes, because thrifting, we do not play about thrifting, okay? So I'm just going to break down in steps how to thrift, and I'm also going to be showing you guys like actual footage of me in the thrift store going through the racks and how like my method to thrifting. So let's just get into it. It's a lot of people that say like, I want to go thrifting, but I don't really know how to thrift. And I've been to the thrift store, but I couldn't really like get into it or find anything. Thrifting is one of those things where like you really have to enjoy shopping. Like for me, retail therapy is one of my favorite forms of therapy. So I mean, that's just first things first. Like if you enjoy shopping, then you'll have the patience to flip through the clothes. Number one key to thrifting is know your style and define your style. Like for me, I would say my style is like girly tomboy. Sometimes I'm either gonna give you girly tomboy or I'm gonna give you bad and bougie. Like it's either one of the two. I don't really have a middle ground. My style has a vintage flair to it. Like I love like the style of the 90s. So it's just kind of like you have to know what your style is. And if you need some inspo, I would say to just go to Pinterest or Instagram, but just let it be inspo. Don't like try to take somebody's whole style. You have to form your own style. And I feel like style is just based on how you feel. Like sometimes I get up and I just want to be comfortable, but I don't want to like completely look like a little boy. So that's how the girly element comes into play. But once you know what your style is and the kind of vibe that you're going for, then you want to get budget and location. Scout some thrift stores, you know, just type into Google thrift stores near me if you don't know where any are. That's what I did because I'm in a new city, so I had to look up some new thrift stores. Definitely look at that and then set a budget for yourself. Like for me, I was like, okay, I'm not gonna spend more than $50 when I go in here, and I stayed under my budget. Number three, I would say look in your closet and figure out what you need the most. So when I looked in my closet, I was like, okay, I need more pants, I need shorts, I would love more t-shirts. And even if you want to, like my closet is organized by color, so I know exactly what colors I need more of. So like I'm specifically looking for blue stuff because I'm looking in my closet and it's not a lot of blue, and I love the color blue. So look in your closet and see exactly what you're missing and what pieces kind of like stop you from putting an outfit together when it's time to go somewhere. And I actually made a list. Like I was going to the grocery store, I made an actual list of the things that I wanted to get. Last but not least, if you want to go thrifting and you want to be good at thrifting, you have to be an expert at eyeballing things. I know it sounds crazy, but you have to be able to just look at something and be like, okay, that'll fit. I'm gonna use these pants as an example because I got these from the thrift store. What you'll do is I'm gonna just button the top of these, and I just take the pants and I hold it right at the hips and I press it up against my hips and see exactly where it lies. So right here, this is like the seam is right here, so this is laying a little bit over the seam, so that's telling me that these are going to be slightly baggy. So once you've done all the prep work before you get to the store, let's talk about actually going to the store. Like it's time to go to the store, it's time to go shopping. First of all, you want to keep an eye out for sales. Usually in every thrift store they do like special sales every day, so some color tags might have a discount that particular day or something like that. Most thrift stores do that, so you definitely want to keep an eye out for that. Secondly, it's time to check your list. The list that you made of the things that you want, it's time to check that, because most thrift stores are organized by section. At least they should be. Short sleeve shirts, long sleeve shirts, jackets, shoes, women's clothes, men's clothes, kids clothes. Like usually it's organized by section. So you definitely want to, that's where making the list is gonna come into place, because now you know which section to go to and you're not just overwhelmed. You're like, okay, you know what? I'm looking for a t-shirt. Let me go to the t-shirt section. T-shirts was on my list. I always love to go to the thrift store to buy t-shirts. And to be honest, that's a little tip. That's always a key indicator on if the thrift store is good or not. Because if it don't got a good t-shirt section, it's probably a trash thrift store, you know, because t-shirts is like every thrift store should have a bomb-ass t-shirt section, period. When I get to the t-shirt section, I literally flip through every single piece. I think the problem is that we think about thrift stores the way we think about a regular retail store, and it's not. It's two totally different things. A retail store, you can kind of like just shuffle through it, because 9 times out of 10 it's gonna be big groups of stuff that are exactly the same. It's not like that in a thrift store. Every piece is different, and that's how you find them pieces that be like, damn, how you find that? Because I literally sat here and looked through everything. Like I said, you gotta have patience, but that's the best way to thrift, in my opinion. Some of the best thrift stores are organized by color. Those are my favorite ones to go to. The ones that are organized by color, I'll just be like, I love it here, because it's organized by color. Like, and I know on my list what color I want, so I just love that. But okay, another tip: check for holes and stains and imperfections in the pieces. So if you do see something that you like, pick it up, look at it, turn it around, like make sure it don't have no holes in it. Fully examine the garment. If you see like a brown or a yellow stain, that's not a good sign. But it have been some beautiful pieces I found that have just had imperfections that can't be fixed, and you definitely want to make sure you check that out before you buy it and take it home, because you know most of the time you can't return. Another tip: go to every section. If you wear a small like me, go to the kids section. I'm telling you, you will thank me later. Go to the kids section. Like, it be so many cute little things in the kids section that you could fit. Like the boys section, like I like flannels and stuff, so sometimes I'll go to like the young boys section, and the stuff I could fit, so I'll be like, oh, this is cute, I'm gonna get this. It's been definitely some cute pieces that I found in the kids section, so don't sleep on the kids section. Make sure you get a nice variety of stuff. Like, I never just go to the thrift store and just get only t-shirts or only pants. I mean, unless that's just what you need and you don't need anything else. But I think the most enjoyable thrift store trips be the ones where I get jackets, I get a dress, I get some shirts, I get some pants. I might cop like a jersey or something random, you know, because you're just looking through everything and you find some dope stuff. And just keep in mind that like the beauty of being at the thrift store is patience. That's the beauty of it, is taking your time to really look through every piece. Don't go to the thrift store if you gotta rush. If you only got a certain amount of time to be in there, like, just don't go, you know? But yes, that is my video on how to thrift. I hope this was helpful to you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all. Bye.